there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone battle royale for you. In the left corner, we have the Holystone HS720 GPS drone, also known as the Flying Fortress. And in the right corner, it's the DRONEEYE F10 Foldable Drone, or as we like to call it, the Pocket Rocket. So, buckle up and let's dive into the skies of comparison. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Flying Fortress comes in at a cool $249, while the Pocket Rocket is a mere $79. That's right, for the price of the Holystone, you could almost get yourself 3 DRONEEYEs and still have enough for a celebratory pizza. Reviewers note that the Pocket Rocket is a fantastic value for its price, especially for beginners, while the Flying Fortress offers advanced features that justify its higher cost. Camera quality. Because who doesn't want to be the next Spielberg of the skies? The Flying Fortress boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in the sky. Meanwhile, the Pocket Rocket offers a 1080p FPV camera. Not bad, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a YouTube vlog. Reviewers are particularly impressed with the Holystone's camera quality, noting its high-definition clarity and stabilization, while the DRONEEYE's camera received mixed reviews, with some users finding it below expectations. Next, let's talk about flight features. The Flying Fortress is like the loyal puppy of drones. It's got GPS-assisted intelligent flight, which means it returns to you when the battery is low or the signal is lost. It can follow you, fly along a set path, and even circle around a point. Basically, it's the drone equivalent of a personal assistant. The Pocket Rocket, on the other hand, has some fun tricks up its sleeve like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. It's like the class clown. It may not be the most reliable, but it's a lot of fun at parties. Reviewers praise the Holystone for its advanced flight features and reliability, while the DRONEEYE is noted for its fun and entertaining flight capabilities. Now, let's see how they stack up in the ease of use category. The Flying Fortress is equipped with multi-sensors for stable hovering, optical flow positioning, and a considerate controller with a range of up to 3,000 feet. It's like the Cadillac of drones, smooth, stable, and luxurious. The Pocket Rocket, meanwhile, is all about simplicity. With one key start, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, it's perfect for beginners. It's like the bicycle with training wheels of drones. Easy to ride, hard to crash. Reviewers appreciate the Holystone's advanced features that make it easy to fly, while the DRONEEYE is praised for its beginner-friendly design. Battery life is crucial because no one likes their drone falling out of the sky mid-flight. The Flying Fortress comes with 2 intelligent batteries, providing a total of 52 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show. The Pocket Rocket doesn't specify its battery life, but considering its price, let's just say you might want to keep your charger handy. Reviewers love the long battery life of the Holystone, while opinions on the DRONEEYE's battery life are mixed, with some praising it and others finding it lacking. Finally, let's talk about premium features. The Flying Fortress has brushless motors for quieter flights and a foldable design with a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Practical and multifunctional. The Pocket Rocket offers smart app control with voice control, gravity sensor control, and VR support. It's like the techie little brother who always has the latest gadgets. Both have their perks, but it really depends on what you're looking for. Reviewers appreciate the Holystone's robust build and additional features, while the DRONEEYE is noted for its innovative tech controls. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS720 GPS drone to be a premium, reliable, and advanced drone suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It's praised for its camera quality, flight features, ease of use, and battery life. On the other hand, the DRONEEYE F10 Foldable Drone is seen as an affordable, fun, and beginner-friendly option with innovative tech features, though its camera quality and battery life receive mixed reviews. So who wins this drone showdown? If you're looking for top-notch camera quality, advanced flight features, and a reliable flying experience, the Flying Fortress is your champion. But if you're on a budget and want something fun, easy to use, and packed with techie features, the Pocket Rocket is your guy. Either way, you're getting a great drone. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Product links are in the description.